everyone, welcome back to our Vietnam family adventure. Today we're leaving Ho Chi Minh City and heading to Tay Ninh Province for a day filled with amazing views, culture, and history.
This is traditional Vietnamese dress we call áo dài.
Ao Yai.
Yes, it like the eggshell, seashell, and painted together. Can you everything? So after finish, everything the three-time policy is around 100.
Our first stop is Ba Den Mountain, the highest mountain in southern Vietnam. We took the cable car up and were treated to stunning panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The cool breeze, giant Buddha statues, and peaceful atmosphere made it a truly memorable experience.
Oh, Hogwarts!
The Ba Den Mountain, also known as the Black Virgin Mountain, is considered both a natural wonder and an important spiritual destination. Many locals visit to pray, make pilgrimages, and enjoy the stunning panoramic views from the summit.
We're in the top of the mountains, right? The highest mountain in the South Vietnam, Ba Den Mountain or Black Virgin Mountain, 986 meters. You know, and this one, the Lady Buddha's right there. The lucky envelope from Maitreya Buddha. Okay.
Oh, like a fortune cookie.
Hóa độ và xin giới thiệu với quý khách phía bên trên là xin cảm ơn quý khách đã lắng nghe và kính chúc quý khách sẽ có một trải
After spending some time enjoying the views and taking family photos, it's time for a quick lunch before continuing our adventure. Next, we visit one of the most unique religious sites in Vietnam, the Cao Dai Temple. Out of respect for worshippers and religious practices, I won't be filming much inside the temple today.
And this was destroyed by Ho Chi soldier, Ho Chi guerrillas right there.
We then continued to one of the places I was most excited to see on this trip, the famous Ho Chi tunnels. For me, this was easily one of the highlights of our entire Vietnam journey. Located northwest of Ho Chi Minh City, the Ho Chi tunnels are an enormous underground network stretching more than 250 kilometers.
This country for your people, it's like a very hard condition, right? Like a lot of things, but they still wins because the fighting spirit is too high. They got nothing to lose. Why? Get back hurt, not try. Picture.
These tunnels played a significant role during the Vietnam War and served as living quarters, communication routes, storage areas, field hospitals, kitchens, and military shelters.
Okay, so raise it up. You need to disguise it. Alright. And put it over your head. Yes. And load down your body. One photo. That's right now. Right, arms up and goodbye. Okay. Load out. Keep going. Yes. Okay, then cover. Alright. And she disappeared. It's a
Trap.
an original trap.
Hello! Masin pon mo nga.
Original trap. You can see? Yeah. And the Vietnam.
Walking through the site and learning how people lived, worked, and survived underground was both fascinating and eye-opening. It gave us a deeper appreciation of Vietnam's history and resilience. After a full day of exploring mountains, temples, and historic landmarks, a warm and comforting meal is exactly what we need.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. I don't fall under the pressure, I be handling business. Yeah, they finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific.
And that's it for day 2 of our Vietnam family adventure. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you on our next adventure. Bye!
Trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in.